Hey folks, if you're thinking about doing a little spring cleaning, I have a suggestion for a project, and that is to do what we just did here, which is to hang your bikes in your garage. I will share the link to the product I got on Amazon for about 70 bucks. And you know what? It is legitimately holding 6 adult-sized bikes on the wall, and I really love it. It's got little hooks in addition for helmets or anything else. You can snap these hooks on and off very easily. Let's see if I can snap one for you. See, it snaps on and off like that. And the same thing applies to the big hooks. The only thing is you have to make sure you screw it into studs, and you don't use the screws that it comes with. You need to get your own stronger screws and make sure you're screwing into a stud. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that fantastic? So take advantage of your garage. We were able to store somebody's car in here for a whole week or a whole 2 weeks while they were taking a trip and didn't want their catalytic converter stolen because we have the space. So clean your garage, hang your bikes, and enjoy some spacious room in your house. Share your spring cleaning projects with me in the comments below. Thanks.